This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Johnson Sikiti. The captain will welcome you to this beautiful 3-bedroom 2-bathroom home. Beautiful woodwork throughout the home, vaulted ceilings, open floor plan. Large kitchen with breakfast bar and granite countertops, large dining area with short walk-in pantry under the stairs. A bedroom on the main floor and full bathroom, 2 large rooms upstairs with access to your upper deck and access to the outside. Garage can be used as a bonus room or garage. Garage has a fireplace and tile floor. Huge wraparound deck out front with 2 outbuildings on the back side. Pond on the side on the house and room for a garden and fruit trees included. RV parking on the side of the house and lots of parking. For more information, review the details below.